Let's learn about some machines that you might see at a construction site. This is a steamroller. This is a dump truck. This is a grader. Steamroller, grader, dump truck, grader, dump truck, steamroller, dump truck, steamroller, grader. A dump truck is a truck whose bed can be elevated at the front end to allow its contents to be dumped out of the back. A dump truck is typically used to carry construction waste, sand, gravel, rocks, or other similar items. A grader is a construction machine with a long blade located behind the front wheels. The blade is used to create a flat surface during the process of leveling out the dirt. There are two parts to the blade. The front end is called the toe, and the back end is called a heel. A steamroller is a construction machine that is used for making a surface flat. It can be used for paving roads, driveways, or even an airfield. The steamroller is powered by a steam engine. The steamroller can make a surface flat because of its size, weight, and the rolls. The steamroller does not have any wheels. Instead, it has rolls. The rolls are the smooth wheels, and the large cylinder is known as the drum. What is the name of this construction machine? What is the name of this construction machine? What is the name of this construction machine? Now you know. Steamroller, dump truck, grader. Next time, we will learn about some other machines at a construction site.